one we're going to present about admixture for DBT 143. We're giving you background information about admixture. My name is Nurfara Mahisa Natasha.
My name is Jaral Kokaleo.
My name is Nurdalena Wani binti Yusri.
My name is Marjorie Olga Anasli.
Hi, my name is Teizata Nazura binti Jamaluddin from AP1261B.
What are admixture? Admixture are chemical substance other than fine and coarse other than water and cement are added in small amount just before or during mixture stage to concrete product. Over decades, attempt has been made to obtain concrete with certain desired characteristics such as high compressive strength, high workability and high performance, and durability parameters to meet the requirement of complexity for a modern structure. Function of admixture: to improve workability of fresh concrete, to improve durability by entrainment of air, to reduce the water requirement, to accelerate seeping and hardening, and thus to produce high early strength. More, to add curing, and last is to impart water repellent or waterproofing property.
There are 4 types of admixtures. The first admixture is an air entrainment admixture. This admixture facilitates the development of a system of microscopic air bubbles within concrete during mixing. It is to increase the pre-store durability of the concrete, improve the workability, and increase resistance to scaling that is caused by these same chemicals. The admixture works when suitable surfactants are added into the concrete, result in the formation of fine and stable bubbles that are typically 10 to 500 in diameter and closely spaced. Most of the bubbles will survive and be part of the hardened concrete. For the second type of admixture, we have chemical admixture that have 6 kinds, and I'll be talking about water reducing admixture, also known as WRA. Reducing admixture used to reduce water consumption and increase the strength and workability of concrete. It consists of certain organic compounds that can reduce water requirements of the mixture for a given slab. The water reducing admixture can be divided into plasticizers and super plasticizers. The plasticizers is an additive used to improve the plasticity of a certain substance that are used as a water reducer in concrete mixtures. Plasticizers are also known as water reducer. They are added 0.1 to 0.5% by weight of cement and can reduce the need for water by 5 to 15%. Plasticizers usually used in deep beams, column, beam junction, and thin walls of water retaining structures with high percentage of steel reinforcement. It is also used in ceramic concreting, pumping concreting, and hot weather concreting. On the other hand, a super plasticizers is a water reducing admixtures that are capable of producing large water reduction or great flow ability without causing undue set retardation or entrainment of air in mortar or concrete. Super plasticizers are also called as high-range water reducers because they are also used to further increase the water requirement for concrete mixture, increasing the durability and strength of concrete. Unlike plasticizers, super plasticizers can be added 0.5 to 3% by weight of cement and also can reduce the need for water by 30%. Super plasticizers are usually used at thin section placement, the area of closely spaced and convex reinforced concrete steel. However, places with conventional consolidation methods are impractical or cannot be used.
Now I'm going to explain about types of admixture, which is chemical admixtures. One of the chemical admixtures is retarders. Retarders is used to slow down the speed of the reaction between cement and water by affecting the growth of dehydration. Retarders also used to delay the setting time of cement placed in concrete and may delay strength development of the concrete. Retarders hold back hydration process, leaving more water for workability and allowing concreting to be finished and protected before it's set. Retarders also can be used for concrete to be transported in long distance. The second is to allow the placing of a large pour of concrete over several hours. The third is to delay the set for special finishing process and to extend the time between mixing and placing. Next is accelerators. Accelerators increase the rate of hydration of the hydrolysement. They can also be beneficial for reducing curing time and early at surface. They are used to speed construction, concrete during placement at low temperature, and for quick setting applications. The typical material used is soluble in organic salts, such as calcium chloride, carbonates, aluminates, fluorides, and ferric salts. Next is soluble organic compounds, for example, calcium formate and calcium acetate. Next is corrosion inhibitors. It is used to reduce the risk of reinforcement corrosion. It also used in concrete for parking structure, marine structure, and bridge where chloride salts are present. The chloride can cause corrosion of steel reinforcement in concrete. Corrosion inhibiting admixtures chemically arrest the corrosion reaction. Commercially available corrosion inhibitors include calcium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Besides that, shrinkage reducing admixtures. It have potential use in bridge decks, critical floor slabs, and buildings where cracks and curling must be minimized for durability. Drying shrinkage reduction of between 35% and 50% have been demonstrated in laboratory tests. These admixtures have negligible effects on slump and air loss but can delay settings. They are generally compatible with other admixtures. Shrinkage reducing admixtures is made from liquid organic compound. In addition, damp-proofing or waterproofing admixtures. It is known as damp-proofing agents include curtain soaps, styrates, and petroleum products. Waterproofing admixtures are available in powder, paste, or liquid form and may consist of pore-filling or water-repellent materials. Sound, dense concrete made with a ratio of less than 0.5 by mass will be watertight if it is properly placed and cured. Use of admixture should in no case be considered as substitute for bad materials or bad design.
Mineral admixture mostly derive from other substances and not chemically manufactured. Mineral admixture make concrete mixture more cohesive, economical, increase strength, and influence other properties of concrete. Mineral admixture impact the nature of the hardened concrete through hydraulic activity or pozzolanic activity. Pozzolanes are cementitious materials and include natural pozzolanes such as the volcanic ash, used in Roman concrete, fly ash, and silica fuel. The first one is fly ash. Fly ash is a very fine molecule like residue which has pozzolanic properties. Hence, it is often blended with cement. Fly ash consists of silica, alumina, and calcium oxide as its major components. Fly ash can be of two types, namely, first one is C-type. C-type fly ash is rich in calcium and possesses both properties cementitious and pozzolanic. Next one is F-type. F-type fly ash is low in calcium content and possesses only pozzolanic properties. Effect of fly ash on concrete are fly ash particles are commonly spherical and enhance the workability of concrete. Sulfate resistance is enhanced and alkali aggregate reaction is inhibited. The advantages of addition are improved strength and durability of concrete, increased resistance towards chemical attack, and better workability. Next is silica fume. Silica fume is a very fine particle of amorphous silica. Silica fume is highly pozzolanic in nature. The effects are being of a very fine nature. Silica fume enhance the water demand of concrete and hence a superplasticity is almost always used with it. Silica fume concrete is ideal for industrial flooring because it gives excellent resistance to abrasion and erosion. Last is carbonation depth is usually lowered. The advantages is better compressive strength and resistance to absorption, improved workability, and reduced bleeding.
Miscellaneous admixture include a group of materials that are used to produce special modification in concrete and mortar. They are widely used in a variety of proprietary building products, either as the sole ingredient to achieve a specific property in the concrete or mortar such as color, or in combination with one or more different admixture to obtain multifunctional characteristics as in self-leveling flooring composition. In conclusion, admixture are very important in industry because they increase the workability while other kinds increases or decreases the setting time, which give more freedom for the transportation of the concrete or cement paste.
Yes.